Hello, I am Noel Christopher DT. So now I will report about why does typing speed matter. So in today's world of online customer service, how quickly and accurately a business responds to its customer can make a huge difference. In the presentation, it says typing speed matters to customer satisfaction because it directly influences the efficiency, accuracy, and overall quality of communication between businesses and customers. For example, I am a customer in the TikTok shop like that. So I have a concern such as wrong size, wrong item like that. So the I often message or I often reach out like to be through live chat or via live chat. So if a customer service agent respond quickly to my concern, it makes me happy and it makes me feel valued and feel heard. So it will reduce my frustration and improve my customer experience. So that's all. Hello, so now I will report about the significance of quick response. The number one is meeting immediate needs. For example, meeting immediate needs. For Paymaya, the example, I am a customer of Paymaya and I got scammed because I clicked a link in the text that I received from Paymaya. So I will go to the Paymaya and contact the customer support like that. So as a customer support representative, you need to act faster and acknowledge my concern or my problem. So you need to respond quickly because if you don't respond, I will lose some money and I will I will have an I will have an distrust in the service like that. So as an agent, you need to act quickly and acknowledge the concern and request necessary details such as transaction number or something to provide more action and secure the account before the hacker use the account. So in the number two is enhancing the conversation flow. Now I will provide an example in enhancing the conversation flow. For example, in Lazada and I order a parcel. So today is the delivery day, but when the I check the my app in Lazada, my parcel is delivered, but still it 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 is still not delivered to my house because I am in my house. So I will contact the agent to the or live support. I will contact it and the agent needs to acknowledge and immediately ask for order number to check the tracking details. So the agent can provide me an update in real time and I will feel not ignored. I will feel that I am valued and as a customer it makes me happy that when the agent when the agent is responding quickly and providing a solution quickly. So that's all for the significance of
So, good day. I am going to report the impact of fast typing skills on online business sales, focusing on two major aspects. So, let's first tackle the reducing cart abandonment. In e-commerce, we all know that customer has endless options, right? And most of them is the competition is very intense. That's why response speed is very crucial because if a customer has to wait too long for an answer about the product details, the shipping costs, or the special offers, they might lose interest and leave the website before completing their purchase. And slow typing can frustrate customers, making them abandon their carts and look elsewhere. So let's say, for example, imagine a customer wants to buy a laptop online and reaches out to the customer support to ask about the available discounts. So if the agent types slowly and takes too long to reply, the customer may get impatient and decide to check out to the other websites. However, if the agent responds very quickly, providing all necessary details, the customer is more likely to complete the purchase immediately. So that is why fast typing is very important on the business, on the online business sales. So in the second one, it increasing conversion rates. When a customer service agents respond quickly with clear and convincing answer, they can turn hesitant shoppers into paying customers because fast typists can also handle multiple inquiries at once. It allows them to serve more customer efficiently. And this is especially important during peak seasons or peak shopping season like Black Friday or holiday sales when the volume of inquiries is high. So, like for example, during a big sale event, an online clothing store receives 100 of orders or messages from a potential buyers asking about product availability and about the sizes. So, if the agent can type fast and respond very quickly, they can assist more customers, increasing the chances of making more sales. But if the responses are delayed, customer might give up and shop elsewhere. So improving typing leads to better customer experiences, higher sales, and may increase the efficiency in online customer service. So hello, I'm back. Now let's discuss how fast typing skills influence the overall customer shopping experience. The first one is the professional capacity, and the second one is the customer loyalty. So let's go first in the professional capacity. A fast typing customer service agent appears more professional and competent because a customers expect quick and accurate responses when they have questions about a product or a service. And if an agent types efficiently, they can provide clear and detailed answers without delay and making the company look well trained and reliable. So let's say, for example, um, a customer reaches out to a tech support um, about an issue with their newly purchased phone. If the agent responds quickly with a step-by-step instruction or solution, the customer feels reassured and confident in the company's ability to help. However, if the agent takes too long to reply, the customer might feel frustrated and also doubt the company's efficiency. Let's go to customer loyalty. This is when customers receive quick and smooth service. They are more likely to return and even recommend the brand to others because fast typing ensures that interactions are pleasant and efficient, making the shopping's experience more enjoyable. And this directly impacts the customer retention and the brand reputation. So, like for example, a customer is chatting with a clothing store support team and asking about the restocking of a specific item. If the agent is quickly types a helpful response and even suggests similar products, the customer is more likely to make a purchase and return in the future. But if the response is taking too long, they might get impatient and shop elsewhere. So, in short, fast typing contributes to a customer satisfaction, which ultimately builds a lasting loyalty. So, to sum all of that, typing speed is very crucial in the customer service because it directly affects the response times and the transaction efficiency and the overall customer perception of a business. And As customer expectations continue to rise, businesses that prioritize fast and accurate typing will be better equipped to provide a excellent service in the future. So improving these skills is just one of the many ways of the companies can enhance to serve is quality service and achieve the long-term success of the business. So that's it for our report. Thank you so much.